Hello everybody, welcome to Salsal Academy. I am Ali Awari as your instructor and tutor of IGCSE and O-Level. I hope you are doing great. Before starting the lesson, please like the video and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to teach some types of number that we have. As you know that the numbers also have different types. As this book that we use in the 5th edition of IGCSE Core and Excel Mathematics. We in the previous lesson study or learned actually natural number, integer number. Also it remains a reciprocal number. What is reciprocal number? Reciprocal number actually those number. Reciprocal number. What is reciprocal number? The number that obtained when 1 is divided by that's called reciprocal number. For example, you have 5. When you divide 1 by 5 or 1 over 5, this number is called reciprocal of 5. Or next example, 12. You want to find the reciprocal of 12. You divide 1 over 12. Or maybe we have different types of number. For example, 2 over 5. You should find the reciprocal of 2 over 5. You should divide 1 over 2 over 5. Actually, when we simplify this fraction of fraction, 5 goes up and multiply by 1, the result get up that 5 over 2. This is the reciprocal of 2 over 5. Fourth example, 2.5. You want to find the reciprocal of this number, divide 1 over 2.5. Then you can simplify. We will study in the future this part. 2.5, we add here 0.0, then we directly simplify, and here remain 10 over 25. Then we can simplify 2 times of 5, 10, and 5 times of 5, 25. So the answer is 2 over 5. This number is actually the reciprocal of 2.5. As I think you understand concept of reciprocal. So this is your homework. Every part of this book have exercise. You should find the reciprocal of the following number. So find the reciprocal of this part. Next one is square number. What is square number? A square number, the number can be written as 1 multiplied by 1. Or for example, you want to find the square of a. Actually, the square of a is a multiplied by a, and written as here a raised to the power of 2. This is the square. So for example, you want to find the square of 1. First example is 1 multiplied by 1. 1 square. Or 2, you want to find the square of 2, multiplied by 2 square. Actually 4. The result of 1 square is also 1, because 1 multiplied by 1 or 1 times 1 is 1. 3 multiplied by 3 or 3 times of 3 is 3 square. It is 9. Or 4 times of 4 multiplied by 4 to the power of 4 or raised to the power of 2 is 16. So these numbers are called square number, like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and etc. These numbers are called a square number. You can also read the text here. For example, the number 1 can be written as 1 multiplied by 1. This cube, this square. The number 1 can be written as 1 by 1. This can be written as 1 squared or 1 raised to the power of 2. Next one is cube number. What is cube number? Cube number, when a number actually multiplied by itself 3 times. For example, you have a multiplied by a multiplied by a equal to a to the power of 3 or a raised to the power of 3. This one is called cube number. For example, 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 raised to the power of 3 or equal to 1, because 1 anytime multiplied by itself equal to 1. Or the other is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3, or it is actually equal to 8. Next one, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This is 3 to the power of 3 or 27, and etc. These numbers are called cube number. We have, for example, 1, 8, 27, and also 64, 125, etc. These numbers are called cube number because it has getting or actually obtained from the multiplication of the same number 3 times. The number 1 can be written as 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 or 1 to the power of 3. This can be written 1 cubed or 1 raised to the power of 3. The number 8 can be written as like this, or also 27, 64. These numbers are called cube number. As I think this part you understand. If you have any problem, you can ask me in the comment below. Next one is factor. What's factor? The factor of 12 are all the numbers which will divide exactly into 12. Those numbers that can divide exactly to a number is called factor. For example, you have example first, take 12 as I think. 12 is divisible by 1. It divides completely by 1. And also 12 can be divided by 2. 12 can be divided by 3. 12 also can be divided by 4. 12 also can be divided by 6. Completely or exactly. Also 12 can be divided by 12. So these numbers are called, that I want to circle by different color, by the red color. These numbers called factor of 12. These numbers are factor of 12 here. If we write in a set, f of 12 is equal to, it means factor of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are called the factors of 12. We should list all the factors of the following number. For example, I want to find the factors of, for example, 42 as a second example. If this one is the first example, this is the second example, 42. So 42. The factor of 42 started from 1, also 2, 3, 6, also 7, also 14, and the last one is itself. I write here 42. These numbers are actually the factors of 42 because 42 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, not 6, 7, 14, and 62. 42. The other part is your homework. You should find list of all the factor of the following number. You should find, as I think it is easy for you. If difficult, I take one extra example. For example, 25. The factor of 25 only 1, 5, and 25, because 25 divided by 1 can be divided by 5 and also can be divided by 25. No other number not we can find that the 25 can be divided exactly by that. So this is the factors of 25. Next one is prime number. What is prime number? Prime number is actually exactly explained in the previous lesson, so you should watch the previous lesson number 2. And prime factor is the most important thing that I want to explain in this part. Prime factor, it means when a composite number can be divided exactly by some prime number that called, or which called prime factor. For example, we want to find the prime factor of 12. So we use divisibility. For example, 12 can be divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then 6 can be divided by 2, 3 times. Then 3 can be divided by 3 once. So these numbers are actually the prime number of, or the prime factor of 12. We can write here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, or also we can write as index or power to raise to the power of 2 or 3 square multiplied by 3. This is the prime factor of 12. List the prime factor of the following number. This is also your homework, dear students, but I take one of them. For example, I take 70. So I write 70. 70 is divisible by 2. 70 divided by 2, 35. Then 35 is divisible by 5, 7. Then 7 divided by 7, the result is 1. So these are the prime factor of 70. We can write here actually 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1. 1 is all the times exists as a coefficient. We don't write. And here are some example. For example, also this method, this is the tree diagram or diagram of tree, and also we can use table. For example, here we write the prime factor of for example 20. We write here 20, draw vertical line, then draw horizontal line, and we use the smallest prime number 2. 20 is divisible by 2. 20 divided by 2, 10 the answer. So also we can here 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. Then 5 divided by 5, 1. Or other, for example 24, we can draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. Then we take the smallest prime number that can be divided by 24 to 24 divided by 2, 12. Then 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. And 3 divided by 3, 1. These numbers are actually the prime factor of 12. We can write here 24 is actually 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 3. And also we can write here as exponent 2 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 3. This is the prime factor of 24. As I think the others is your homework. You can find the prime factor of these numbers, and if you have faced any challenge or problem, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and write a nice and beautiful comment in the below. Thank you.